Wow. There is the nail in the Astros coffin. Kendrys Morales has been on fire lately. All right. Unbelievable. Perfect game this year, Eric? Ooh, we might have to check that out, huh? I believe there is. There was last year. All right, here we go. Gridiron Kings 201. And another one from last night's eBay auctions. All right, good luck. See if we can pull another background card. Got McCoy, Falk, Lippett, wonder if Joe's at that game. Joe Theismann. And that's why he's not on. Another Theismann. Malcolm Butler, Royal Performances. Molly. Benjamin. Adrian Peterson, a.k.a. All Day. And Langford. Manning auto, huh? Eli Manning. Jalen Strong. The sketches and swatches. That is numbered 137 of 249. Going to the Texans. Farmer Boy Shane. There you go, Shane. Nice hit. Ivory and Jackson. Yeah, it does that occasionally, I think. Not sure why, but a few people have said it does that. Forsett, Woodson, Dupree, Palmer, Elway, Williams, Sherman, Young, Ajayi, Luck, Theismann, Peters, yeah, that's got to be kind of a cool feat to add to your resume already. Flacco, Teddy Bridgewater, new aesthetic, Montgomery, Green, Williams, Expressionists, Shaq Thompson. 2 more packs. Look for one more hit. Sankey, Bettis, White, should be jersey in here. See who it is. Breeze, Waynes, and Amir Abdullah. The big old jersey. It's a nice one. 220 of 249. Going to the Lions. Eric, H-I-L. On a roll tonight. There we go. That'll do it for Gridiron Kings 201. You should, Tony. Oh, good old Eric. Gets through typing a sentence. Doesn't want to delete it, so he answers his own question in the same sentence. That is funny. Funny, you knew what